Hello student, in this class we learn selection. So first I create a sphere, then right click to exit this tool and then press F4 to show these edges, and now convert this sphere as a editable poly. Now select vertex subdivision by click on this icon, or you can expand this and select from here also. First tool is ignore backfacing. If it's enabled, so only front facing vertex will select and back facing vertex will not select, like this. You can use this tool to select a object with different way, like this. Only half sphere vertices is selected because it's front facing, and the back facing vertex is not selected. You can also select edges and polygons by this way. Only front facing edges is selected, and if you want to select polygons, so select polygons and then select like this. So it's available for vertex, edges and polygon subdivision mode. Next tool is shrink and grow. If a vertex is selected and then you click on the grow, selection will shift on the next level like this, and if you click on the shrink, so it will backward like this. You can also use this selection with the edges and polygons. First I select a edge and then click on the grow, so selection will shift in the next level, and then I click on the shrink, so it will go in the backward direction. And you can also use this selection with the polygon. So first I select a polygon and then click on the grow button. Selection will grow in the next level, and then you click on the shrink button, so it will shrink like this. Some more tools also available here for selection, like ring and wave, but they will not work with the polygons and the vertices. They only work with edges. So if you select a edge and then click on the ring, so it select like this in a ring form. And if you select a edge and then click on the loop, so it select in a loop. You can also make these selections by using mouse. If you select a edge and then double click, so it's create a loop selection. And if you want to select a edge in a loop, so you can choose a different viewport and select like this, so it's create a selection in the ring form. You can also select a edge in a loop by keyboard command. First select a segment and then click Alt L, so it's create a selection in a loop. And if you want to select a edge in a ring form, first select that edge and press Alt R, so it's create a selection in a ring form. If you are working with polygons, so these techniques are a little bit different. If you want to make selection in a ring, so first select a polygon and then press shift and move your mouse on the next polygon, and it's create a selection like this. And if you want to make a selection in a loop, so first select this polygon and then press shift and move to next polygon like this, so it's create a selection in a loop form. These tools are not able to control by using command panel, so you can use mouse and modifier keys. These polygons are selected, and if you want to convert this selection from polygon to edge, you can also do these things by right click and choose convert to edge, so these selections shift to edges, and you can also choose convert to vertices also. So these type of selections also available here. It's another example. I create this teapot, and this teapot is created with the different elements. If I convert this teapot as a editable poly, so these part will convert as a element like this. If I want to select this handle or lid or the body separately, so first I select the element subdivision and then click on the different body parts. So these will select because these are elements. Now we meet in the next class.